Morning folks, following day on the boat. It's like a mill pond out there. It's hot and it's cloudy and it's going to be thundery, I think, so I need to get this roof cut out and get this welded in. So I've got everything down here and I'll just have a look at it. So this is where we are at the moment in the bathroom. Got those 4 walls boarded, and up on the ceiling there now you could see some 2 black lines. That's the width of it. Just got to determine how far forward or backwards we want it in this room. But I've got it on the top. So there we are, the new one, and there's the old one. So that's it, we need to crack on before this weather breaks. So we'll get the welding kit out, we'll get it all set up and we'll get it done. Right, we've got the thing welded up and I've cleaned it off, so it's all welded all the way around. Want some paint on it now, we'll get it done. Right, next job, we'll whiz this opening out. Okay, so we'll get some paint on these. I've degreased them all with some bilge cleaner, so the plates are free of oil. We'll get them on. Right, that's a coat of paint on it all over because it's the afternoon and it's forecast storms about 4 o'clock, so I needed to get some paint on it or I don't want it going rusty. So, but it's too hot to paint it really, it's setting on the brush as they're trying to do it. So anyway, we'll leave them half an hour to set up properly, have a sandwich. Then we'll glaze those openers and we'll have them on, and that'll be it for today. We're just going to put this glass in. I'm not sealing it in or anything at the moment. I just want to get this sealed off before this rain comes. So they just fit into those openings there. They want silicone in. Okay, so I'm just going to get these fitted quickly. I haven't got any silicone to put these in, I forgot all about that. I'm just putting, because they're like in a recess, and if I just put them in and put the screws in, the glass will come out. I'm just putting a couple of bits of these seals on just to give a bit of pressure onto them to hold them there, because I need to get this sealed up because it's going to storm in a bit. So I'm just getting these on quickly. That's them in. Temporary screws, and we'll just use some little packers just to keep a bit of weight on that glass. So I'll get those put up on the pigeon box now. Right, there we have it, the finished article. Nice and shiny brasses for now. So we need to, that'll be lined in there, and then we'll have some screw jacks on it so they open on a screw. Hopefully when they come they should work. And that's the original one, wants a bit of tidying up, that brass work. So here we are in the bathroom now. That's a bit different, isn't it? We've got light coming in and we'll lift those up, having a shower, and the steam will be going up there and out, so it should keep it a lot drier in here. We're going to have another vent as well, one of those with solar power on it that constantly runs, a little one. Anyway, that's it for now, folks. I'm done in. It's red hot, it's getting really heavy, the air. There's going to be a storm shortly, so we'll call it a day on this one anyway. It's done enough for today, can't do anything else today. So thanks everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, help the channel along, and I'll see you all next time. Ta-ra!